Okay, and in this video, we're going to teach you how to go in and create a new template. So here in the ReshapeX portal, we would just navigate on the left side here over to templates. So now we're in here with templates, and we will create a new template. So for this one, we'll call this one budgetary proposal template. So it might be good to have multiple templates, right, for budgetary quotes or for full quotes or certain types of applications that you're quoting. You might need different quote templates. So this is always good. Page template for budgetary quotes. And you can make this private to just you, or you can make this available to your whole team. So we'll leave this available to the whole team. We'll hit create. And then you can come in here and you can use our document editor to put together the proposal. So for this instance, I had one ready to go. So I'll just paste this in here. And as you can see, it pastes really nicely with all of the personalization tokens for company name, company address, company phone, client name, company, all these things that you can have pulled automatically so that when you go to create a new quote, budgetary quote, all this will pull automatically and you just place your BOM in here and you're good to go. And that is how you create a budgetary quote.